Okay, hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'll be teaching you how to make an animation and put it on an NPC. For example, if you want to do it for like decoration or something, I could easily teach you how to do that. But before we even do anything, what you're gonna want to make sure is that you have. So if you don't have these opened, let me show you how to. So explore and properties and output, just in case you did something wrong and the animation fails, so you can maybe fix it. Go into view at the top right here, and then make sure explore and properties are on, and make sure output is on here as well. So what we're gonna do is, for example, I'm going to. So I'm not gonna do this one. I'm just gonna do. Okay, so if because you might not have this plugin, so if you want to, so go on avatar, and then click on rig builder. And then for this video, I'm gonna do a block avatar. If you want, I think you can do any of these. I'm not too sure, but for this video, I'm gonna do block avatar. So after it's loaded, it's just god damn it! I just moved an attachment. Hold on, do that again. And if you can hear that, that's just one of my videos playing. So now that you've got this, actually no, wait, just turn output off for now. No, you're not gonna need it now. But when you've got that, go back to avatar, and where it says animation editor, click on it, and then you're going to see this. It's going to say select the rig. So to know if you can animate with any of these, or you have to hover your cursor over it, and if it has a like a square, a blue square, that means you can animate with it. So if you can, if you can't, then just choose another one, but if you can, then click. And if you want to animate with like a free model, make sure it's rigged. Like make sure it's a rig, so you know. I'm gonna name this tutorial animation. So you can name whatever you want, but for this video I'm naming it tutorial animation. So now you're gonna press create, and before you do anything, just make sure. So go to the plus icon here, and press add or body. So you can animate this, and then here you're gonna right click, like where the blue thing is here. Make sure it's at 0, 0, and then you're gonna right click and then press add keyframe. And then for example, for this video I'm going to go frame 7 or something, and then we're gonna for example grab the body part, and then like if you do this upper, it like does this whole arm. If you do here, it just does the lower arm, and this is just the hand. So if you do here, it'll move the whole arm. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make him do this, put his arm up, and then if we press spacebar or this button here, you see it will do this. I'm not really good at animating, but yeah. And then we're gonna do this, and you don't have to add keyframes anymore. I'm pretty sure. Oh. And I think this is for like other animations, but I'm pretty sure it's for like this one as well. So you're gonna go to the first frame, you're gonna right click, make sure it's all in blue, you're gonna press copy, selected, and for example we're gonna go here, right click here, and press paste keyframes. So then it'll look like this. And then if you want it to be looped, put it on loop, which is right here. Make sure it's blue, and then there you go. But if you're doing like a wave animation, don't do this. Well, I'm not really too sure. But now that you've got your animation, like I've just did, like just a simple one. You're gonna press where my mouse and my cursor is. You're gonna press these 3 dots. Then you're gonna press publish the Roblox. And then you can name it whatever you want. But like I said, for this video, I'm gonna name it tutorial animation. You can add a description if you want. And now this is the important part. Creator. If this is for a group, then put it on whatever group you will. Because like if your game like made like on a group or something, you're gonna want to change the creator to the group. Otherwise, the animation will not work. But since I didn't, I'll just leave it on me. And then press submit. And you're gonna wanna copy the animation ID and close. But let's just say you didn't close the you didn't copy the animation and you just closed it. Well, that's a simple fix. All you have to do. Hold up, I'm looking for the toolbox. Just so put on the toolbox, and then so you'll be put to here and go here. See, see my models are here, but then you're gonna want to press this and go to my animations. Then these are all my animations I've got so far. So then the one that like you first did for like for example what it would be named. Mine is named tutorial animation. You would right click and then you would copy a set ID. But I already copied it, so I don't have to do that. Now you can get out of the animation editor. And now oh, we don't really need the rig anymore. Actually no, I think we still do, because we're using this rig for the animate scripts. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into the rig. See as anime saves. You're gonna go into the rig, insert and script, and inside the script you're gonna wanna insert an animation. And in the animation you're gonna copy and paste your animation ID. And then this is where you get to the scripting. So what you wanna do is you're gonna wanna type in, just wait. Yeah, you're gonna wanna type in. Okay, so delete all of this. We don't need any of this. Make sure there's no two lines yet, just one line. You're gonna wanna do local humanoid humanoid equals script.parent whatever this is. Wait for child, and then humanoid. Yeah, I can't explain what it really does, but anyways. And then you're gonna wanna press enter, not like inside here, like here. You're gonna press enter, so you get another line. Then you're gonna write local animation equals humanoid. Load animation, and then I want to do script. Wait for child animation. So I'm pretty sure what this basically does is like it's finding an animation, as you can see right here. Because by the way, oh no, I remember. See, this will basically, like, since you added the animation to the script, what the line 2 is doing. Wait, I can explain that. So what line 1 is doing, it's finding the humanoid of the rig. But what line 2 is doing, it's finding the animation that you put into the script. But guys, for example, if you name the animation something else, for example, if you name the animation dog, you're gonna want to change this here to dog. Okay? But like as for this, it's name animation. But yeah. And then you're gonna wanna put 3 lines. You're gonna wanna do animate. Oh, here's the tricky part. Whoops. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Sorry guys. That was a mistake. Two of these. Oh no, 2 of these. Okay. And then you're gonna. Okay. But here's the tricky part. If you want your animation to be looped, do this. I'm gonna do animation dot looped equals true. But if you don't want it to be looped, then write animation dot looped equals false. So it's not. But for this, I'm gonna do looped, and then you're gonna add 2 more lines, and on line 6 you wanna do animation, play. So basically, what all this does is, so line 1 finds the humanoid, line 2 finds the animation, so you can animate, and animation that looped says if it loops or not, and then animation plays for the animation to play. So after that, you can just close the script and let's test this out. And as you can see, guys, it is working. There. And see, yeah, that can happen, but that's okay. So now that you've done the animation, now guys, that's the tutorial. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, if you want more tutorials, come on, I'll do them. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.